So, reggae music. If you're coming to a reggae clash, you need to play some tune like this. This is real reggae music. Listen, blood clot tune. Send me head, mad. What the fuck is that? Reggae music. Blood clot fruit punch. You can't drink fruit punch in class, man. Leave me through. Wake up, you! Wake up! Yeah, but I want to fall for you. Damn shit.
Wall up your hand, cause you know say it. And style every now.
Play like a cartel them.
Cartel?
Afrobeat you play.
Yo, Black Rob.
Yes, I am.
I'm going to teach a little student here. Don't come in a big man class.
Look at Sam, boy.
Student, you're a teacher. Listen me what?
I'm not sorry, boy. I'm not like that. Show now. Just show them.
I do you, but I don't like it. Why are you pulling on my song? I let yours play.
I'm not sorry, boy. I'm not like that. Show now. Just show them. No, say them when we back.
Choppy running and knowing up.
Yo, alright.
Listen to tune.
I'm not sorry, boy. I'm not like.
Why he keeps sabotage? Watch the sabotage. Sabotage. Listen.
I told Thomas already come for speaker. Your bitch already come. I got the code.
You, I done that. I lost my last, you know. Last. Suicide. Catch that party.
I'm 16. Kill the sound boy.
You're dead already.
Listen.
You're lost.
Listen.
You don't know where to stay upon.
Right.
I lost you.
It only goes down at that tip.
Up and down.
Like an actual.
You're right about up and down.
Goes down at that.
And the reason I'm up and down is because I'm up tune.
That's right. It
So I can't go up.
Right.
I can't go down.
Christmas Eve.
But now I call the boss name. You hear me not call the man name. You hear me call people name. But now I call the boss name. But I know the boss spend a decent little thing. Buy the plate and make sure say you have it. See? And you come here so I waste your blood clot talent. You have talent, you know.
But may I waste it?
I waste your talent.
How may I waste it?
Listen.
You really do to get something from brother.
Listen. Hey, watch this boy. Watch this boy.
Why from a good and a poor man a boss? When you spread rumors, your potion is hot. Can you say that I can see a pussy a clock? I'm in country that's around that my
I cannot be a worthless boy because I have a tree picnic me have.
Enough.
You gone one or two. I don't know.
Yo.
Well, I know. I'm buying time for talk, you know.
Play a tune.
I'm buying time for talk.
Play a tune.
Yes, Mr. D is spending money and him get some dub play. Right. But when the man knows a talent their own and we can boom bam bam and just kill off boy.
Him just hire me.
He just hire you?
Play blood.
He just hire you?
Play blood. Yeah.
Listen. Catch this song right now. Him hire you? Him hire you? Him the hire you? What's one him the hire me?
I will not make nobody nothing. I will not make no friend. I don't wanna like we're gonna suck them over
Take on.
Konnichiwa.
Yeah.
Pull up the one there again, selector. Pull up the one.
Tony, not begging you. Yo.
I will not make nobody nothing. I will not make no friend. I'm sorry. I will not like we're gonna suck them over there. Hypocrite of us, we not
deal with none of them.
So for them, it's all a couple of
Last.
and they pussy feeling when you turn up now me
in the 45 specialist, never must have gone yet, must less water gun. Stop it!
Yo, me play a tune. But I know why you take offense to it. And you're Massachusetts man, see? And you vote for the people them. so that them can do what them want to do. Listen.
Boy, kinky. More music, people, boy, your tongue. Party boy, boy, tongue.
What that is a black black tongue? Boy, tongue, passy boy.
What's up, boy? Like, no, yeah, it's the boy, boy, and you, it's just a yes, people say it's the one bad, bad. You know what? That's how I want to see the champion. Let's see what you're bringing to the best of the people.
Pull up the tune.
Hold on.
Play a blood clot.
Boy tongue. Yes, me kiss my woman every night, but me no boy tongue.
But I know.
Look by you. Look by your nose. Your boy nose though.
Yeah, I'm shit, boy.
Your boy nose though. Since the boy nose, watch out.
Yeah, my yard. Y'all not coming too close, you know.
What do you mean too close? You know, where you stop me tune for? Just because the boy your nose, watch out.
For this, it's not a laughing thing, no a joke.
Listen to that tune.
Leave me, no man. Yeah, me no.
I'm gonna tell you why. Listen.
Put him career upon the
I'm gonna tell you why he bore his nose real quick.
This long killer.
Listen why he bore his nose real quick.
Okay, put the line for this. Put your hands and fight for this. Career upon the line for this.
20.
Yes, man. Can't believe it. We never knew it would have reached so far in a Jamaica. Bull dancer keep on being man apart. God believe it. Me not like certain things are right. Man in a fence of foot jeans and a fight for video night. God believe me. Some of the male dancers dress too girlish. Me I tell you straight, them a go burn up in a furnace. God believe me. Fuck dance really go on nowadays.
When Tony G and what him and a player.
God believe me. Some of them really say them a third man. Buy drinks and a jug man to plug my guys. It's not yet. Man, God believe me. The tape to the DVD.
Everybody watch Tony on the TV.
God believe me, just believe me. Don't believe me, no man. One day me eyes them and deceive me, no man. God believe me.
Watch out, Tony, you got dead from the part of here.
Steal in the man, steal a clean in the man. God believe me. Jamaica was so homophobic. Yet man a man up in a them homa bloody.
DJ
Listen, you are not dead.
DJ Anaconda.
Me don't care who much girl want call you and represent for you. You're dead. I war with it.
That is your biggest fucking problem.
And then you gonna bring your woman in it. Rotted no.
Answer the blood clot for secretary. That's it, radio.
Anaconda.
Yo.
Me like come here. Me like the party. Me like the party. Don't know.
Which part you like? Which part you like?
Play the last tune again.
No. That tune they play already. Take out that.
You not play it back.
Listen. If I play some Afrobeat.
But me I play CD, you have laptop.
And you like me rap back and I try to listen to what the tune I try to say. And I know I can't understand exactly what I say. You know what? Play a tune again. Play it back again.
You want me to play it back?
Play it back again. Let me see if I can get a better understanding. How the fuck this come in a sound classic?
How it come?
Play that again. Play the tune again.
Kill him, bong bang. That's all right. Without killing all the fucking niggas. No. Kill him.
Don't try to pull up a tune. Let go tune.
Yo.
Oh man, we are one doing it. Boom, we are one. You have see a blood that laptop. I've seen him. I think of tune. When you look for Anaconda, no way.
I'm a killer. Don't need a reason to kill. I do I need special season to kill. Some say them a killer, but them ain't got to kill. Bullet.
What you want to know?
Blood spill, killer, no delay, hard pass to kill. I'll be no breeze for like that, me still kill. So
when you don't see me, I don't see me, me still about the fire. What I feel like?
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas right now. They got a class going on. Yo, we on YouTube. Yo, I'm telling you, yo, it's off the hook, yo. I'm telling you, yo, when we step out tonight, from That's His Radio, yo, we going live, we going hard. Yo, I'm telling you, you stream is sick. You stream mad. I'm telling you, oh my God. It's the vibe, yo. It's the vibe. That's what's up.
What day is it, Rob?
Yo, today a Christmas Eve night.
What year is it?
Yo, I'm coming at 2013, you know, but right now at 2012 at the last of the year. So, you know, so we are enjoying ourselves. This is That's His office right here. This is where we transfer everything from. The studio is in there, the lounge area is up there, and we doing it. I'm telling you. Yo, I'm telling you, next week, New Year's Eve night is sick.
What's going on?
Champagne Lounge.
Where at?
Mad.
Where at?
Yo, 1102 Brule Avenue.
What
yo.
time?
Yo, from 10 till 4 in the morning.
What you need to look like?
Oh my God, Tupper. You need to look like the time. Yo, the mafia ladies, y'all got to step out.
Why? Who playing?
Yo, the whole crew.
Who that?
Yo, the Dupper. 45 special.
Oh yeah.
Official.
That's what?
Padrino. Yo, alongside Black Club and Diva Star who was the show. The rest of that's the family. Yo, it's gonna be crazy, yo. It's gonna be mad, I'm telling you, it's sick. It's gonna be sick. Yo, Happy New Year to President Obama, Commander in Chief. Words, do it.
Yeah, like that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man, for real, yo. It's sick, it's crazy, yo. People, don't miss next Monday. It's gonna be off the hook. Champagne Lounge, yo. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be mad. It's gonna be mad. It's gonna be sick.
No. I don't get on film. Only me and my man know.
All right, watch out. The people them, probably from Jamaica, when they play the tune here right now, 5. Press, just give me the number 5. 5. Just 5. Hear the intro. Just give me the 5. Fix it up for me. Give me the 5. Just 5 across the board. Watch how the players light up now. 5 across the board.
Yeah.
Watch the 5 across the board. 20 work with police, yeah, batty boy.
I don't pay them a pardon. Me never go court, but me judge no pardon.
I want to work for the feds and the CIA and the ATF. For the whole of them. Why you keep stopping my song, son?
Stop here, somebody go cry, baby.
We make cry, bitch, I kill you.
No trouble me. What kind of fucking?
Cause I work for the feds.
What kind of tune that?
No bombarding you.
Listen to it. Yeah, man, some DJ on the thing, run!
For your life last. From this we make the gun pop. Make me stop. Boy, you feel your one this me gun finger.
Up till now that tune.
Yeah, man. I get some boy I can't about check
So,
nine.
we can't play my song.
Them a
I'm jam a tune that.
them a lick Uzi. Name brand gun. Well, bounty killer, and your bounty on top together with a 3 gun in a bounty. Want a PTKs with a nice special and here, and here.
Stop you!
Get me finger, but we don't so boy no room. When I got and go boy no room, you got bounty killer boy.
Oh no.
This is Red Rat.
Who are you? And you're 45 Specialist TJ. I'm Twister.
Let's go party festival. Before we rush into night. Let's go party festival.
Never come on. You're the biggest one we know.
Feel like we can intimidate.
From night 20 on top, be a fucking of me, yes, so me know I hear. 20 should have known this about Ganda.
And if you diss me run, cause it won't not. Test me one more time, I get done shot.
Yeah, them tune it. Them weird it. Yeah, real blood clotting. But who are you? Oh no.
Who are you?
No. What kind of girl blood clot tune? You can't play red rat. Man, burn on your bumbo clotting now. You mean?
X amount can't count that they can't you look at and tell us again, man. Anything where I get to profit must perish. I love it. Who knows what them what's it? Say me them worried up to suffer, and then them worried up to die in our favor. And why? Not happy, do I? You going to fuck watch it? It's your pillow, look at me, I'm prepared. Who made the shit of a baby and show the kind of
So let's keep it on Bulgarian.
When I play the Bulgari, when I call on the bottom around there. Me have woman that call me. I bring my woman. Yeah.
Best of them up, so. Allah. Run for cover. Save your mama. In
Level. The difference between me and Tony, him is a so-called Batman. When you ramp with Francis family, what's 20 tonight? Let me tell you this. When you're 45 specialist, one investment boy.
I'm just a life for riders and death for the wicked, yo. Yeah, then them shouldn't know. So that's the fall right now. I'm my judgment. Yo, no. So them a bad man, them bad man, that is. See like them a go to a bad man, that is. Do your hand up, keep up anything.
Yo, Conda. I don't do in a long talking. You understand me, I say? Listen. What is it? You can't find your tune, eh? Alright. Play an next blood clot tune for you. Listen.
What's up, boys, in my Batman? I want to get for them badness from. I want to get for them badness from madness.
Nah, but we're not firing a gun.
We're not shooting this.
Blood clot farm.
Shut your mouth, well, Batman talking. Then this is my opponent, I will be talking. Don't you try and dish the take a Batman. No, the shooting. Shut your mouth, well, Batman talking.
When you just play a while ago, Chuck Fender about
Shut your mouth when bad man talking. Yeah.
Which part are you bad?
Play your blood clot tune.
Which part are you bad?
Play your tune.
Me you say you girl beat you up every day.
Play your tune.
Not
Me you
true.
say you girl beat you up every day.
Talk to them.
Never.
You never beat him up?
Never.
Never.
Only with the
Only with what? Only with what?
that southern
Play your blood
comfort.
clot tune.
That southern comfort.
No,
That's
so
what.
far with God. I didn't go that far. I never went that far.
You better not.
Play your blood clot tune.
Me I go far now.
To the foundation of the music.
Where?
I know your tune, my tune. Stop that.
Respect.
Me say, me the teacher, you the blood class student. Know this.
You see the elders them? Tell them, say, watch it. You know, so the vet with a children with a soda with a powder. Who the better respect the elder entertainer. You know, so the vet with a children with a soda with a powder. All of them.
Hey, Shabba, tell them why you only 45.
Some little entertainer, what is the matter with them?
Our ranking.
How me I talk to?
Cannot.
Hold on, Tony. You lost now, you know. Last? You lost. I'm find my way. Me I kill you sideway. Me I kill you everywhere.
Listen to me.
You're dead already.
Shabba ranking. Cannot test this brother here.
Oh, I tell you, from straight here.
You play that already. You play that already.
Hold on.
You play that already.
Hold on. Listen.
I swear you would have do better than me, but you have computer, you know.
Listen to me, I say.
You're playing back already.
Them man play have a laptop. Them know Sharata already.
Play tune
When
already.
you play the tune, it turn green. Answer, brother.
No.
When you play the tune,
Me
it
no
turn
know
green.
about none of that. Me no play laptop. I wouldn't know that. Sabotage.
Yeah, Sabotage Almighty.
Hello, Carla.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm Tony. This is what you're going to do with Anaconda.
No. Play about tune.
No. Listen.
Come on, fella.
Yo, when I play what the tune.
No, you playing that Tony already.
Don't play it already.
You playing it already, Tony.
Yo, yeah, thing.
No, we kill you.
No, but management, listen.
Yes?
Your team now work right now. Your team too soft like pudding, you know.
No, guess what?
No, the man soft.
What's going to happen to you? No, listen up.
Yeah, talk to him.
This is what Tony is going to do to you.
Yeah, talk to
Tony,
him. Yeah.
you see the next song you play?
Yeah.
This is what he's going to do to Anaconda. He's going to lick Anaconda teeth out them head, and
Yeah.
then I'm going to take them and pick them up like a
Oh, tell me head I'm more. No, you want Tony confused. Me have teeth in my head or in my mouth. Which one?
Alright.
Oh yeah. Alright, me fix up the boat down or no? Me I go fix it up.
You pick them up one like popcorn grill.
How much teeth me have? 34 or 32?
Conda.
Alright.
Listen. Hold on. Give me a chance.
You're dead already, you know.
I'm dead. You talk about play what tune and all them things. Listen to it. You play a blood clash of a ranking about no respect and all them things. Listen to it.
I tell you,